Hi. Right, this video is going to actually go through the features of the site. So when the user first comes to the site, the system automatically detects what type of client the user is using and deploys the template. So if the user is using an iPhone, an Android, or a BlackBerry, the single column template, mobile template is actually deployed. And if the user is using a normal web application, a normal computer to actually access the site, then the 3-column smart template is deployed. Over here, the language detection. When the user first comes to the site shows English by default, and the defaulted language is recorded as a cookie in the user's browser. So the next time, if the user comes to the site again, the system would actually detect what particular language the user prefers and deploys the relevant language instead. Over here. So this is what I actually understood during this afternoon's discussion on the sitemap. First is the landing page, and on the landing page itself there will be the featured games rotator, and you could actually embed your Facebook fanbox widget, your latest tweet widget, and at the top of the menu bar there are various categories. So when the user clicks on any particular category, he comes to the games category view, which is a series of grid boxes, 3 columns across and multiple rows going downwards. And when the user clicks on any of these grids, he gets brought to the game's detailed layout. In the game's detailed layout, besides just the details of the games, the user gets to see the Facebook like button, which he could click. And when he clicks, he's able to, it actually gets published on his Facebook profile. The icon to actually show up on his Facebook profile, it's adjustable by the administrator. When he clicks the Twitter like button, it gets published on his Twitter account. The administrator is able to indicate the featured the featured image for this particular game, as well as indicate the background image for this particular game. Contact Us is a page that when the user goes to, he could actually fill up a Contact Us form to contact staff from your company. At the same time, there's an embedded Google Map. So we're actually doing some Google Map API integration. And there's the About Us page, or the support page. And yes, besides this, the administrator is free to add however many pages he would like to the site itself. Let me just go now and demonstrate how the multilingual feature actually works. This is just a proof of concept. When I go to the dashboard and create a new page, for example, I would actually be publishing in English. English 2. And I'll have this published over here. Once it's been published, I could choose to add a Chinese translation. Chinese 2. And I will have it published like that. Then I could actually add a Japanese translation. And I will have it published like that. Next, I'll be able to go to the menu and click on English and assign this page and save it. If I click on English, it'll show up over here as English 2. Now let me publish the Japanese corresponding menu on the menu bar, as in over here. So if I click on Japanese 2 and save, when I click on Japanese, it shows up over here. Let me do the same for Chinese. I click Chinese top menu bar, 中文2, and I click Save Menu. So if I click on Chinese 2, it shows up here. Which means that if I'm actually reading at this page and I do a click to English, the site automatically directs me to the corresponding English version of the same document. The same thing happens for the Japanese.